Good morning, men. My name is Robert R. Hoon. I'd love to join you and for you to join me on the 8th, 9th and 10th of November, Friday, Saturday and Sunday, at a men's gathering in the Numbinbah Valley. It's called Manhood 2019. I'll be offering morning workshops from 6 in the morning till 7 on Saturday and Sunday. The workshop is entitled Singing with the Birds. We'll be adding our voices to the early morning chorus. We'll be stretching, we'll be warming up our voices and then singing some nice, gentle, simple songs that will inspire and set us up for 2 days of sharing and being with each other. So I hope to see you then. Remember, 8th, 9th, 10th of November. Thank you.